Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Vlogmas day 1. It's basically day 1 for me. I am super late with Vlogmas. Okay, my name is Fanta. If you guys are new here, I do videos on lifestyle, fashion, beauty, the whole 9 yards. I will be taking part of Vlogmas, which means that I'll be posting a video, uploading a video every single day for the month of December up until Christmas. So guys, now this year my life has been much slower. If you guys want to see my Vlogmas of last year, I will leave that playlist down below. But this year my life has been much slower. It hasn't been as up and roaring as it was last year, and even last year I didn't really have much to do, but I still made it work because I had so many other plans and stuff. Hold on, let me just wipe that out. There we go. So I had so many plans and stuff, I was going to Atlanta, I was doing so many things with friends. This year I'm much more relaxed. I don't really have that much to do, which is the reason why I wasn't sure if I wanted to do Vlogmas or not. But I was just like, you know what, let me just do it. If I don't post a video every single day, I will just be posting more videos than just 2 or 3 videos a week. So you will be getting a video. If it's not 7 videos in a week, you'll at least be getting 5 videos. But if I don't have nothing to do, I'm just not gonna force it unless I'm able to at least make plans to do something and you guys can see it. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there. I may not be posting a video every single day as the way I did last year, excuse me, but I will try my very best. Okay, so yeah, I'm on my way right now to go get laser hair removal. This is my first time ever getting laser hair removal and I'm super excited. I am going to Uplift Spa. We are doing a brand, a sponsor, a collaboration on it, so I'm very excited. So I will be giving you guys a full rundown of the spa experience. I will be showing you guys where I start off at and everything. And as you guys know, I have shared it before that I do suffer from discoloration, and laser hair removal is actually supposed to help you out with the help you out with discoloration. It'll help it out with over time. So hopefully from then on we'll be able to see whether or not it helps with the discoloration or not, okay? Because baby, I'm trying to be one tone. I'm not trying to be 48 colors, okay? 50 shades of Fanta. That's not what I'm trying to give, okay? So yeah, what the fuck is going on here? Come on, bro. I hate that. Yo, sometimes this camera just be doing too much, bro. Damn, relax. But yeah, so I'm on my way there right now, and let's go. Alright, you guys, I'm here. I'm just gonna prop you guys up here. Boom. I'm gonna block out whatever I need to block out, because y'all know. But yes, so I'm here. I'm getting underarms and Brazilian. So let's see how it goes.
So this is gonna help you all to lay down all in those stairs.
Okay.
It's gonna help you out with that.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit heavy wildin'. Last minute trips to the islands. Trip, trip, trip when you're sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you in it, cause you know I like it.
So good.
You're good.
It was different, but yeah.
I mean, you're good with the paint. That's
Okay.
That's a good part.
I did better than most.
Yes, allow. That's really good.
Oh man, that wasn't bad at all. That was not bad.
Great.
Look, only 14 minutes. All right, you guys, so I just came from my laser hair removal, and I must say it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I already told you guys that. Well, yeah, I was saying that in the video, so I hope you guys saw that. But I was trying to shoot some different angles, because I have my hoo-ha out. But I seeing that different angles while also doing it for Instagram stories as well, because like I said, I'm doing a collaborative doing a collaboration with them, promo for posts and all of that stuff. Hold on, I'm coming to see my mother at work, see what she up to, because she hasn't seen me in some days. I've been working non-stop. So let me. Oh, sorry. So yeah, let's go.
Drip, drip, drip when you're sliding. Dip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you in it, cause you know I like it. Making up a dick for you. Sweet baby, chicken when you bite it. We can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I will love you wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy.
Okay, so I'm back and I'm about to start my hair, but I want to get something to eat first. So let's just start with that. Usually I would cook, but because I'm about to do my hair, it just makes no sense for me to try to sit here. I don't like this light and cook. So I'm trying to see what they have. I will give you the world now. You just gotta be worthy. Yeah. See, my problem is I realize that I really don't like to order food because I like to make my food because I always like it better, but I just don't have the time to right now, and I don't know what I want. I hate that. I'm about to get Popeyes because it's easy, it's quick. I can't even work out today, and it's like I don't want to get Popeyes because it doesn't go with my current diet, like what I'm supposed to eat. And when I say diet, I don't mean like I'm trying to lose weight. It just doesn't go with what I'm supposed to currently be eating. Which is not a whole bunch of like greasy foods and stuff, because that's just going to make my stomach get bigger, which is defeating the purpose of me working out and stuff, trying to get my inches off my waist. And in order to work on those inches, you got to work on what you're eating in the kitchen, okay? Period. Stop playing with me, Uber. Y'all, I could have went and got this myself because I'm about to pay $20 for like a $11 meal. So it's actually $16, but the meal is like $11, if that. So whatever. I'm about to start on my hair. First thing that I'm gonna do, okay, this is preparing. First thing that I'm gonna do is get my bundle. Okay, so I have my bundle here. I'm gonna be doing like the bleach blonde highlights within the hair. I don't want to do it yellow because yellow just doesn't look nice. So this is from the Diamond Dynasty. It's one bundle of, I think, like 18 inches. Which is a little bit shorter than what I have, but I feel like if I place it in certain areas, it'll work. Like if I put one like right below this pack and then whatever, like it'll just work fine. And I'm gonna be wearing it curls most of the time anyway, so I think this should be fine. I have about like, this is about 20 inches. If anything, I might cut my hair a little bit more. I don't know. It doesn't matter to me because I like to wear this hair a little bit shorter anyway. So if I have to cut a little bit at the ends, I will. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put on the shimmer lights and let it sit on this little pack of hair. I'm going to let it air dry a little. I'm mainly only doing it on the end so that the wefts right here aren't wet. That way, even while it's wet, I'll just go ahead and sew it in, and then I wash the entire thing, air dry it for tomorrow, and then style it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to push this up a little bit higher so I can get it into all of these little points or whatever. But I feel like the base of the weft is gonna be covered by the black, and you're only gonna be seeing the ends. If you see the top, oh fucking well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, okay? Period.
Why you gotta fight with me? Cake, you know I love to go there. Say I'm acting nice, yeah. I can't take you nowhere. This a place for families that drive candies and go to Disney. They don't need to know all of our business. You wild and you super childish. You go to CVS with Kotex and my Bugatti. I took the key and tried to hide it so you can't drive it and put on mileage.
Yeah, right now it's kind of giving a silverish type of vibe. You see what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it with a regular shampoo and conditioner to just kind of get a little bit of that. It seems like it also still has a little bit of soap in there as well. So just to get a little bit of that purple out and just keep that pale blonde color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick and I'll be back.
Take you to the mall and get you a new outfit. Girl, that shit some child's play. Bounce that shit like whoa, 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 whoa. Heard all of the stories about you, I already know, and I like it. Take you to the mall and get you a new outfit. Girl, that shit some child's play. Bounce that shit like whoa, yeah. Bounce that shit like whoa.
Alright guys, so I did not show you guys how the hair looked once I finished, but I did show you guys a little snippet of everything. But yeah, this is the end of Vlogmas. You guys will be able to see the end result and everything tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned in tomorrow's... What is on my camera? Oh. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video where you will see the reveal of my new hair and as well as all the festivities for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry, I have a movie playing in the background, but I hope you guys enjoyed day 1 of Vlogmas. I know I'm like 2 days late. I'm sorry, but I'm here. I decided I'm gonna do it, and hopefully I can get at least 20 videos in. Hopefully at least 15. Because like I said, this year I don't really have much to do. There wasn't much that I had planned, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.